Hello and welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to share with you how to factory reset in your Samsung Galaxy A3 device. Maybe you might want to take factory reset in your Samsung Galaxy A3 device. Maybe the device is storage full or it's hanging, etc, etc. So in this video I will share with you step by step how you can take factory reset in your Samsung Galaxy A3 device. In order to do Samsung Galaxy A3 device factory reset, you have to go on all apps and then go on setting. In here setting, you will see a option which is called general management. Just simply click over there and then you will see here a option which is called reset, and then you will see here a factory data reset. Make sure try to take all your photos, video, etc. all will be deleted from your device. So try to transfer to on your SD card and then click on reset. So I am going to click this reset and then you will see here factory data reset. Then again click on delete all and then your device will be shut down and it will restart again, and after that it will take maybe around 5 minutes to finish all this process. Here we go, this already ready to start. After taking the factory reset, this is brand new, and here you have to choose your location, like you want to choose the language for your device, available different kind of language, and then click on OK and then click on start, and here you can connect your Wi-Fi. I'm going to click that next, and then you have to click I agree all and then click on next, and then again all the way come down and then click on next, and here give a device name. I'm going to give my device name and then click on next, and then you can give a patent pin password. I'm giving not now, I will set it later on, and then you can add your Samsung account if you like. Then click, if you want you can create new account. I'm going to click this escape, I will do it later, and then click escape and then click on finish, and here we go. This is I'm going to click again later, and here you go, and it will give you to choose your SIM card. You can choose SIM card. I'm going to click done, and here you go. This is your new Samsung Galaxy A3 device with the factory reset. And now you will see that the device difference between old and new, like you will get more fast and more speed in your device. So this is how you can factory reset your new Samsung Galaxy A3 device. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.